What's going on, everybody? It's Costa Mesa Dave. Check it out. We're out front at Signature Glass Tinting. You're looking at a 2021 Ford Raptor. We just pulled this car from the back. It's our very first car this morning. The person that owns this car went with the Lumar Nano Ceramic IRX 15% on all the sides and the back. This car had the factory tinted glass, so now the back doors and the back windows almost like limo tint. We also tinted the front windshield. The customer chose the Lumar Nano Ceramic IRX 50. This truck has a black interior, so it looks super dark. Every piece of film was digitally cut. We have a plotter in the back. We run the film through the plotter. Everything gets cut perfect. There's no light gaps. Every piece of film was installed in what we call a one-piece installation, lifetime manufacturer's warranty. Of course, everything we install here at Signature Glass Tinting is backed up by the Signature Personal Guarantee. We don't care what happens. For instance, on this truck, all the side windows and the back window, we don't care what happens. The film gets scratched, a window is broken because the car's in an accident, vandalism. We don't care what happens. Just bring it back. We'll retint it for free. From the inside looking out, as you can see, it's not too dark. The film looks real nice. You guys, when you get your windows tinted, you want to find a shop that offers a good brand of window film. I recommend Lumar window film. Find a shop that's not only going to give you a lifetime manufacturer's warranty, but you want to make sure that shop has their own personal guarantee. Again, the side windows and the back window on this car, we don't care what happens. If the film gets scratched, car accident, vandalism, we don't care what happens. The dealership has to recall a piece of glass, whatever happens, bring it back, we'll retint it for free. Signature Glass Tinting is located in Costa Mesa, California. Find us on the web, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. You guys, we're everywhere. If you can't find us online, give us a call the old-fashioned way, 949-515-8468.